This one is a 1936 Corona Standard. The decals are almost perfect for a 90-year-old typewriter. Glossy black reflection is almost like a mirror. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins are right in the back here. I like to set them, you just move them like this. I like to set them at the beginning and the end of the page. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. And you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single space. But if you want double, you just flip this switch towards you and it'll skip 2 as shown there. Well, we're gonna keep it on 1 and go back to the next line and finish the last 2 characters. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I was able to type most of these letters on 1 line because it has Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch. So the font is just a little bit smaller than your normal typewriter, allowing you to type more words on a page. Type a sentence on the next line. Types very nice. Classic typewriter. When I think classic, this is how I imagine a typewriter would look and type. Very rare to see one in this condition. It's basically like a collector's piece, and it will last forever if you take care of it. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch towards you and it pulls out easily. That releases the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a backspace on the top right, and that works really good. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock. To clear the shift lock, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a color selector switch, blue, white, and red. What that does is, if you open the hood, you can see the vibrator just, when you have it on red, it just goes up higher, so you hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. On a dual ribbon, you'll have the black on top and the red on the bottom. Right now we have a full black ribbon, so we're going to keep that on blue, which is the bottom selection. Right now we have the ribbon pulling to the right because all the brand new ribbon is on the left loaded. But if you want to switch the direction, you just flip this switch up and it will start pulling to this side counterclockwise. We're going to switch it back down so it stays pulling to that side. That works good. It's got a carriage release lever on each side of the carriage, allowing you to freely control that carriage. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.